Hello and welcome to the Team Atlantic channel. On this channel we explore electronic circuit design, troubleshoot electronic and electrical equipment, and share practical engineering solutions that improve reliability and performance. In today's video, we'll show you how to convert an LED light fixture from a traditional series connected design to a parallel LED circuit. You'll learn why many LED fixtures fail when just one LED burns out, and how a simple circuit redesign using a constant voltage driver can dramatically improve reliability and extend the life of the fixture. Have you ever had an LED light fixture stop working completely because of a single failed LED? Today, we're going to disassemble this fixture, determine the cause of the failure, and compare the traditional LED circuit with a much more reliable engineering solution. This is one of the most common circuit designs used in many inexpensive LED light fixtures. Several LED strips are connected in series, and within each strip, the LEDs are also connected in series pairs. The entire fixture is powered by a constant current LED driver, which maintains the same current throughout the entire circuit. At first glance, this design appears simple and inexpensive. However, this is exactly where its greatest weakness lies. Everything is working properly. Now let's see what happens when just one LED fails. Suppose this LED overheats because of inadequate cooling, a manufacturing defect, or simply normal aging. The first LED has now failed. Because these LEDs are connected in parallel, the remaining LED is now forced to carry the entire operating current. Its electrical and thermal stress increases dramatically. Very quickly, the second LED also fails. A single failed LED has disabled the entire light fixture. This is the fundamental weakness of a series-connected circuit. Fortunately, there is a much more reliable approach. Instead of connecting the LED strips in series, they can be connected in parallel. This changes not only the wiring configuration, but also the type of driver required. Now it's time to assemble the upgraded light fixture. First, I install the 4 LED strips onto the aluminum housing, making sure each strip has good thermal contact with the heatsink for efficient cooling. Unlike the original design, these LED strips are not connected in series. Instead, each strip is connected directly to the power supply in parallel. Every strip receives its own positive and negative power wires from the driver. This means each strip operates independently of the others. Within each strip, every LED branch includes its own current limiting resistor. These resistors ensure that the correct current flows through each branch and prevent one LED failure from affecting the rest of the circuit. Next, I connect all 4 strips to the constant voltage driver, carefully checking the polarity of every connection. Before reassembling the fixture, I inspect all solder joints, verify the wiring, and perform a continuity test to ensure there are no shorts or open circuits. Everything checks out correctly. Now the diffuser is reinstalled and the light fixture is ready for its final test. This is a fundamentally different design. Each LED branch has its own current limiting resistor. Each strip is connected directly to the driver with 2 wires. All 4 strips operate independently in parallel. As a result, the failure of one LED doesn't interrupt power to the rest of the fixture. Notice the difference. Only one small branch stops working. Every other LED continues to operate normally. The fixture remains fully functional. The design greatly improves reliability and makes maintenance much easier. The reliability of an LED light fixture depends not only on the quality of the LEDs themselves. The electrical circuit is just as important. By replacing a series-connected design with a parallel-connected design powered by a constant voltage driver, we eliminate one of the most common causes of complete fixture failure. Now, the failure of a single LED no longer causes the entire light fixture to stop working. That is what good engineering is all about. Thank you for watching the video to the end. We hope this conversion of LED light fixture from series connected design to a parallel LED circuit was helpful for you. Give us a like and write in the comments which instruments you'd like us to test, and we'll do our best to cover them in our future videos.